Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week is my sister's birthday, and so I pulled out my 5-year project that I'm working on for her. For her birthday this year, I think I'm going to finish up the bouquet, and that pretty much consists of these flowers, which according to my key over there, are white flowers with a yellow center. And then there are some pods associated with these flowers, like right here, and it says that those are white-ish. So I think not only am I going to do those remaining flowers, but I'm going to put I'm going to put the greenery in there and just be done with the greenery. And then I'll just have the vase and the background to do. But there's a lot of space in there to fill, so yeah, a lot of work to do. I call this the 5-year project because I only work on it once or twice a year when I feel like it. It was originally something I was going to work on with my sister, but turns out she's not really into mosaics like I am, so instead I just work on it once in a while as a gift to her. That's it. There aren't too many flowers that I'll be doing, and so it's definitely a project I can just pull from my bins for the white and then also for the yellow. So I've actually already just pulled a few. I don't really like this spotty one. Put that back. But this one's perfect, and I like the bright white. It said pale yellow, so I pulled one that was pretty pale. That's it. Things are just a little bit crowded in my studio, and I don't have room for that big floral here on this workbench because I'm doing mirrors, and I'm not ready to pick that up yet. And over here, I've got the owl going. I'm not ready to pick that up yet. So I just brought the template in here with the glass, and I'm going to be cutting it in here. And then I'm going to transport it into my kitchen where I will be gluing it. So I'm going to start with these pods. I think those are really interesting. And I've got this pale green that I'm going to use to make the pods. And then I'll move on to the white and yellow flowers. That's it. cut this pale yellow, and then I decided No, I like the bright yellow better. Kind of pulls in these sunflowers. These pods are just a little bit too pale and flat, so I'm going to spritz them with water and take up a piece or two and just add a bit of this green that's just slightly darker, just to give them a little bit more depth. That's it. Ooh, that was easy. Oh, everything's coming loose. I have to glue those other ones back down. Yeah. This owl has been lopsided long enough. Yesterday, I pulled some of these colors for the eye, and I actually added this color, which is not in this eye, the red. The eyes are not completely symmetrical. This one is a little bit smaller, according to my reference photo, and it's also a little bit darker than this one. So even though I have this light orange, I probably won't put as much, and instead I will put more of the red. Moving forward, that's it. Of these frames left, this one and one other one, and I have ordered some more little tiles and I'm waiting for them to come in, but while I'm waiting I may as well knock out some of this. So I'm going to put the border around the outside. Here we go. As far as I got on this, just the flowers and the pods, a few leaves, but I didn't fill it in like I'd hoped. It's the 5-year project though, so that's fine. I got plenty of time to fill in the rest of it, do the vase, and then the background. Quite a bit to go. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.